Yes.
Yeah? Ready to film? Oh, there's only one camera. So we need to put it back on. Hello and welcome to SULKNATIONtv. In this episode, I'm excited because I've had my wheels refurbed. Woo!
They shouldn't have been refurbed in the first place. You should have been more careful driver.
I should have. I mean, here's a picture of the worst wheel, which, I mean, the picture doesn't do it justice. It really did get a bit of a smacking on a roundabout, which wasn't good.
But what do you expect with like Pacific Rim type rims?
Yeah, they are massive. So, but that was the lorry's fault, not my fault. However, then I accidentally curbed it outside Ed's house on the other side, and a comedy of errors. And then I got in contact with Craig, the Alley Cat.
Alley Cat guy who done my Enkais. He got them machined.
He did. He bored them for you, didn't he?
Bored them.
Yeah. And he's done a phenomenal job.
This is so exciting! I haven't seen them. We did an unboxing video on these particular wheels when you first got them.
Yeah.
And I was surprised.
Right.
So
don't shine that at the camera. Shine it at the wheels when I bring the wheel over.
There's the OMG!
Look at that.
That is incredible. And what colour did he call that?
So this is stealth bronze.
Yeah.
It's more of a BMW colour, and it's gorgeous, isn't it?
I'm seeing loads of different colours, mate, like purples, coppers, bronzes. That's stunning.
They look incredible. So
I'm
blown
really
away.
Good. What a good job. And does he do the back?
Yeah.
He doesn't do the front. Oh, it's just as good, if not better, because there's more paint.
Yeah, look at that.
Jeez.
It's amazing, isn't it? He's done a phenomenal job.
And they take it, he reattaches those little weight things, isn't he, as well?
Yeah, he properly balances them. So he does all of it. He does the powder coating, he does the sandblasting before, he does absolutely all of it.
What
a job.
Stunning. And what sort of money are we talking to get a whole set done with?
This cost me £280, then VAT on top.
That's a bargain,
yeah,
isn't it?
for all four wheels.
For paint and refurb. Mate, they are stunning. I'm looking at them now.
They've been done so well. Like I'm absolutely blown away. Like he sent me some pictures, and I was like, they look amazing.
Yeah.
Seen them in the flesh. All the one more time. There we go. All the other colours, absolutely incredible. So we're gonna get them on the Accord, so the Accord looks good again, because currently it's got the 17 by tiny width. EP3 wheels on,
car, yeah.
Which I mean,
it doesn't. The car's too big for the wheels.
It is. Here we go. Look.
Yeah.
Sorry about the camera movement, but
tiny. And that one's got a slow puncher.
Yeah, it has. I've pumped them up, and it was fine on my drive. But as soon as I started driving, you could feel it getting a little bit sinky.
Well, we've got a spare set, mate. I don't think I will sell them because they're good wheels for us. If in emergencies, aren't we?
Exactly.
Track wheels, can't they?
So,
yes.
Let's turn this back around again. Look, we're in a different position. Oh no, we've got to adjust it. Like that.
Yeah.
So let's crack on getting them on, yeah?
Let's see what they look like. They're going to look stunning. But the thing is, mate, you're putting brand new, clean alloys on a dust-ridden.
Yeah, the car. I'm going to wash the car soon.
You can't polish it, Turd, but you can. You can put sprinkles on it. You can put sprinkles on it.
Right, let's make sure we're both in frame, Ed, because a lot of the time it's not been in frame.
Poopsie.
Yeah, poopsie. So, we've put the wheels on the car.
They look sick.
Shall we take a tour
They look sick.
on this busy street? Let's have a look.
In the evening, the people walking by.
Who'd rent a unit here, eh?
Oh, it's cheap, mate. It's cheap.
Look at that.
Stunning. I hope the light picks up the different colours. We need like a sunny evening, don't we?
Yeah.
Like we did originally on when these are brand new.
I mean, Ed, I've got to try not to get run over.
Huh?
I've got to try not to get run over.
On.
Oh, there's cars everywhere, look!
We put the garage on the main road.
Yeah, I know. This is ridiculous. So, Yeah, I mean, look at those. Look at how purple that is.
Colour there. I'm in the way.
Look at it.
Mate, here is the best colour. They are stunning.
Look at that. I hope it's doing it justice. They look stunning. I mean, look.
When there's light popping on them.
Beautiful.
Lush.
Look at that.
People see them in person.
I mean, gorgeous. And, I mean, here's the fourth. Craig the Alley Cat has done a stunning job. Link in description.
Oh, Craig, outstanding.
I mean,
I can't wait to see my intake now.
it looks amazing.
I haven't seen it yet, have I?
That's
Only
gorgeous.
a picture of it.
Right, I'm going to run across the road. You can wave. I've run. So that there's cars driving past, which is irritating, but we are on a road, so... I mean, look at that. It looks amazing. And then you've got Ed's car, Nighthawk Black, twins, dark wheels. It looks like my car again. There's Ed's. Yeah, we're close. We're parked really close to one of those co-cars, whatever the hell that is. Obviously, I know it's a car sharing service. Do I agree with it? Don't know. Jury's out. Does it matter? No. Well, let's try not to get run over again. Woo! Chicken! Let's make chicken! So yeah, it looks badass, doesn't it, Ed?
They're sick.
Badass. Stunning!
You wait, peeps, till you see this in person. They are lush.
Gorgeous.
They are lush. Better than original.
Yeah, 100%. So,
Brilliant job, Craig.
we hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then please subscribe, turn on notifications, and find us on social media, yeah?
I'm not doing it.
No, well,
Facebook.
Twitter, Facebook, Instagram,
YouTube,
TikTok. Oh, we've got them all.
Pornhub, X-Hamster.
Yeah, we're on all of those. How do you know about X-Hamster?
You told me.
That's when I type in dark stuff. That comes up. Until the next time.
You got like tubes and hamsters going.
Yeah. Until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, Ed's been Ed, and well done for that.
Lovely wheels.
Thanks, mate. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Pleased as punch. Because I'm old and I say pleased as punch.